Spanish person, please. Meep!
Yo, we got Meep in the building. Meep! Yo, we got Meep.
You did not just say I was in... Huh? What did you say? Who's the front? Huh? Yo, we got Meep in the building. Ah! Yeah! 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 His name is Mommy7. Add him. Add him. Mommy7? Alright, I got you. Chat, how many people we gonna get in this game? Gosh, bro, you know? Add? I just added Mommy7. I just added the person. Is he gonna add me back? Hey, I'm gonna give him 1 minute. And we will start it, chat. I'm gonna give him 1 minute. Hold on. We already have 6 people in the game. Oh, we got Val. Val. Let's... 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just gonna start it, chat. All right, let's go. Everyone get in. Everybody get in. Get in mine, damn it. Get in mine. Exit, exit, exit. Exit, exit, exit. Chat, hold on. Please no nightmare. Why not? Why not nightmare mode? You too scared? Both scared of nightmare mode. Crazy. Alright, you can start it, shush. Make sure it's nightmare mode. Make sure it's nightmare mode. It's gotta be nightmare mode. And it has to be 7 people, right? Alright, 10. Everyone get in! Everybody get in! Who left? Who is that? What mic is that? Why you ask? Is it bad? Hope not. Sometimes it's bad for some reason. Leave? And join back. Hold on, chat. Let me cook. I know what I'm doing. The mic's bad? What? It's bad? What are you talking about? It's not bad. Chat, is my mic bad? Hold on, chat. I'm rejoining. Rejoin. Hold on. Why is it bad? Prove it. Chat, is my mic bad? Be honest. Oh, shit. Chat, I'm rejoining. I swear to God. Chat, I swear to God, I'm rejoining. Chat, Oh my God. I'm fucked. Wait. Chat, I'm gonna rejoin, I swear. Chat, I'm rejoining. Hold on. Let me cook.